Hi everyone! Good morning! For today's video, we're going here in Science University in Hong Kong. So, there is a riverside here. So, we're going over there. This is a science park. Science University Park. Yan. Ang ganda ng view. It's nice view. Oh, what's that? Maybe there's a fish here. Mga isda, guys. There's fish. A lot of fish here. Nice. Oh, a lot of fish and so big. Oh, so big. Hala, laki. Ang laki ng mga isda. A lot of tilapia. Long, laki-laki ng mga isda. OMG, look, so big. Meron ding pula.
Parang gana. Pero yun, tilapia.
So walay buhaya dire kay na may isda. So look at the view. This is Science Park in University. Very nice view. A big fish fun. Yeah. Ang ganda ng parang nasa Korea. It looks like I'm in Korea. Look. Yes. Nice view. Look at that. It's very nice. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.